Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll learn to approach challenging conversations with softness and ease as we express our emotions gently and safely. Start by finding a quiet place to sit and settle into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and softly cup your hands in your lap or on your knees. And as you root down through your seat, let your spine lengthen upward through the crown of your head. Now, take a few deep breaths. Breathe all the way in. And as you breathe out, release tension in your body. Inhale fully, relaxing with each exhale. And now, softly return to your natural breath. Notice the effortless breath moving in and moving out. And stay present with your breath flowing in and out of your body without changing anything at all. And when you catch yourself lost in thought or distraction, drop any judgments and lovingly guide yourself back to your breath. Rather than criticizing your ability to meditate, just note your mind being a mind. As it wanders off, note the mind thinking, and come back to your breath again and again. Now, gently become aware of any emotions that are present. let whatever arises in this moment be okay. Without seeking out any particular emotion, make room for whatever shows itself. Rather than pushing anything away, allow any feelings that come up to just be there. Let each emotion bathe in breath. Just feeling what's there, and time again, returning to your inhales and exhales. Now, let your attention soften. Visualize this scene. You've had a long and busy day, and as you walk into your home, hoping to relax on your couch, instead you find dinner isn't ready and the kitchen is a mess. The thought of a heated discussion is overwhelming, so out of fatigue, you push away your frustration and get to work cleaning up the mess and making something to eat. When your partner greets you, you offer a quick half smile and turn away. When we push our emotions down, we sometimes don't even realize we're doing it. We might be trying to avoid confrontation, but it doesn't work. We can chalk it up to fatigue or frustration, but when we repress our feelings, we're only delaying and intensifying our pain. The truth is, our feelings won't go away until we acknowledge them. Our meditation practice can help us notice what we're actually feeling and become aware of what we're stifling. And it's through this awareness that we can face our emotions and engage in mindful conversations head on. So instead of shutting down and muffling your feelings, learn to turn towards them. Notice them in your body. Take a few moments to breathe into your experience and soften the edges of your emotions. From this place, you can express how you feel from a place of calmness and grounding, and make room for a clear-headed conversation. Now, gently turn your attention to your breath once more. Notice your natural breath flowing in and flowing out. And when you're ready, make small movements in your hands and feet. And slowly open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. See you again tomorrow.